He's perfect.
The echoes?
Clean. CBCs, CMPs are all normal. His weight needs to come up a little, but other than that...
Well, he's still real fussy with the feedings.
Could be the lactose. We can try soy base.
I don't want to turn him into a little vegan pussy.
He can drink it in his wife-beater onesie.
Oh, Dr. Funny. How's his sleep apnea? You're there pretty much every night.
Times I'm there, he is sleeping fine.
Good. Wayne?
Gemma. Little guy doing okay?
Yeah. Gotta beef him up a little. How about you?
Right as rain. It's just a follow-up.
Where you at with it?
The BCGs are keeping it contained in my bladder.
Guess that's good.
Yeah.
You waiting on Della?
She ain't a fan of hospitals. Hale's picking me up.
We'll wait with you.
I'm glad he's doing good. I think Jackson's gonna make a real good daddy.
Sure, I'll make sure of that.
No doubt.
It's for my heart condition.
Miracle drug.
Planning a trip?
I'm just seeing what charges we're gonna need to make this thing work with the Irish.
If it involves you and a map, we're screwed.
Saying I got no sense of direction.
I'm saying you need a GPS to get from the driveway to the front door.
No, I'd be lost without you, baby.
How'd it go with Opie?
All good. We determined it was a Mayan problem. We're taking care of it.
Jax?
He's on board. It's like I told you.
Is that what you told me?
Mm-hmm.
I hired Nita to help with him.
Neither. Oh, geez. That was my underage nanny fantasy.
Actually, it's time for your 2 o'clock feeding.
Oh! I meant what I said, you know. I would be lost without you.
I'm right here, baby. That's my good boy.